Get $25 off your next purchase of Armor Shield 9 using promo code CALI25. Link in video's description.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Gus and this is Cali Rebuildables. Okay guys, so for those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Gus. I like rebuilding vehicles from COPART. I haven't been doing it lately, but hopefully next week I have a new project. I'm not a pro. I don't have a shop. I don't have a lot of money to be buying really expensive cars. So basically I'm just buying cars that something, you know, on a low budget with a little bit of money, something you guys could buy, something you could rebuild on your own at your house. Like I said, I don't have a shop. I do have a job, 9 to 5. So I do this on my spare time, mostly weekends and stuff like that. So is that something that you might be interested in? Well, welcome to the channel. For those of you that have been watching my videos before, welcome back to another video. So make sure you stay tuned because I'll probably be getting a new project next week. So please watch the rest of the video. If you guys like it, subscribe, hit the notification bell, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down. Leave a comment. I read all my comments. I try to reply to every comment. And well, that's it. Let's get to the video, guys. Okay guys, I'm going to the mail. I'm gonna drop this off. This is one of the license plate kits. Actually, that's like yeah, that's 2 of them. So shout outs to Jerry Oliva out of Bakersfield. Shout outs to you, bro. Thanks for buying some of the decals. So we're gonna head out to the post office and get that shipped. So see you guys in a bit. What's up, guys? So we are over here at the, you guys can't see it, but we're at the post office shipping some of the decals from my decal shop, some license plate kits, you know, to turn it black. You've seen them on my videos, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go down to the link below or to the one up here, and it's gonna take you to the license plate shop that I'm talking to you about. Got outbidded, guys. I didn't go that much on it because I need to go see it in person, and since I didn't go see it in person, I don't want to risk that much money. But it's a nice car. See, that's the damage, which is not that bad. It's got the leather, it's got the sunroof. That's like a big sunroof, so that's pretty cool. 140,000 miles. There's the damage again. The bumper was $239 on eBay. The grill was another 2 something on eBay. That rebar really was like 300 and something. Headlights were like 1 something. The hood is the expensive one, like 500 and something. So maybe a little bit over $1,000 to get this thing fixed. Maybe 1,500 painted. So it wasn't that bad, but it's at 3,300. Still not that bad, but like I said, I didn't go see it in person, so I don't want to risk it. But we'll see what else pops up. Okay guys, so as you saw, I didn't get the car from COPART, so I'm gonna go check out some cars. I'm gonna go check out a truck that I kind of like from COPART, and I'll see if I can find some other vehicles right there at COPART. That way, you know, I don't make the long trip just for one car, for one vehicle. So yeah guys, I'm gonna head out. Don't mind my nose, guys. Had a little accident, but everything's okay. So yeah guys, I'm gonna drive about an hour and a half. Okay guys, so we are on our way out. We're gonna take the Mazda because we're gonna take advantage of the trip. Family's gotta go to some purchases. So just gonna wait for the wife and the kids, and we'll be on our way. There's mainly one truck that I want to see. You're probably gonna see it right now. You'll see it right now. I mean, and it seems like, you know, we had a hard hit on the back. Hopefully there's no frame damage, and hopefully it's just the bed. But I kind of doubted a bit that they'll salvage a truck just for the bed. I really doubt it. But it is an old truck. It's an 06. It's a GMC Sierra. It's really low, and it's got like the heavy duty truck hood. So I know what they were going for with that truck. You know, those lower trucks, some big rims and stuff like that. So if I do buy the truck, I'm gonna continue on that theme. I'll probably paint it, and but who knows? You know, right now I'm just picturing it in my head, but you know, depends on how high it goes. So let's go check it out. Okay, guys, so we're about 15 minutes away. Let me show you guys. Here we are, guys. This is Gilroy. Some of you may know or recognize this. This is 101 North. See you guys in a bit. We're here, guys. So now I'm just waiting for the guy to come out to take me into the yard to see the the truck. Let's just show this a little bit so you can see it. There it is, guys. What do you guys think? You think the frames are bent? It's a nice little truck, but the frame, this is what's scaring me. So we'll see. Okay, guys, so that was the truck. I was kind of hoping the frame wasn't that bad, but it is bent a bit. I don't know, but it's got a C-notch, so I don't know if that's fixable. Probably get it and get that C-notch cut off and then add a new C-notch. But we'll see. We'll see, guys. And it's been a long time since I ever came to COPART. Kind of missed it. There's a lot of cool cars there, though. So yeah, man. Now we gotta head back another hour and 30 minutes. So shout out to Al, man. Shout outs to Al here in COPART from San Jose, which is San Martin. So yeah, guys. See you guys in a bit. What's up, guys? It's another day, same video. I know you guys want to see cars, so but the truck that I showed you guys from COPART isn't gonna be auctioned until next week. So in the meantime, I just want to record something for you guys. So right now I'm headed to the theater because today the Lion King premieres. You know, the new Lion King. I remember my parents taking me to the theater back then when the first Lion King movie came out, and now I got a chance to take my kids, which is pretty cool. I really like that movie, so I get to share with them what my parents shared with me a while back. So I think that's pretty cool. So we're gonna get the tickets because I'm pretty sure they'll be sold out. I think, you know, I'm kind of looking forward to watching the movie. I really think it's gonna be pretty cool. So see you guys in a bit. I don't think it's open though. I think it might open. Okay, guys, so
got the 4 tickets. 2 adults, 2 kids. Get back on the Mini. Pretty dirty. Oh man. I think I left the keys inside. Nope. I have him here with me. Are you excited to watch Lion King?
Yes, I'm so excited and see how sad it is because I already watched a different it's like the same movie but different
Like the cartoon one.
yeah, the cartoons, and now we're gonna watch like the real one.
Yeah, that's gonna be pretty cool. That's gonna be pretty cool. So we're gonna head back and get ready for 6:50 to watch the movie, guys, and eat some popcorn and drink some Pepsi and eat some candy. So see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, we just came out of the theater. It's a pretty cool movie. I don't know if you guys can see me, but there we go. It's a nice movie, guys. Okay guys, so today is Saturday, a totally different day. Yesterday, Friday, when we went to the theater. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully this coming week I get to buy a car or a truck. I'm not sure. There's a couple cars that I saw. Some of them that I really liked a lot that I didn't record. Well, yeah, I didn't record over at COPART. Because if I do get those cars, I want it to be kind of a surprise. Now the truck is, I'm not that interested in it, but at the same time, you know, it's a pretty cool project because well, the bed is easy. You can replace the bed, and maybe it is bent, but it's bent down from the back, from the C-notch behind. It's bent. So I mean, so ever since they cut it and they did a C-notch on it, the frame's already, I wouldn't say bad, but at the same time it's weak already, you know, because they already cut it and they welded in some C-notch, which some people say might be stronger, but with the hit, the truck, you know, from the C-notch forward it's okay, but from the C-notch behind it went down. So I mean, the C-notch is always obviously made it weaker, but depends on the price also. If I get it for you know, for a low price, but it is a nice little truck to customize. You know, here in California, those trucks, I mean, people just like to customize those type of trucks a lot. Next week I get a new project, and I guess that's it for now. Let me know what you guys think of this video. Do you guys like it or not? Should I just stick to cars? Should I record more of my daily stuff? Which I really don't do that much because you know, I kind of think I'll bore you guys with things I do. But check out my t-shirt, guys. And that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, hit the notification bell, and see you guys in the next. Goodbye, guys. See you guys in the next video.
Get $25 off your next purchase of Armor Shield 9 using promo code CALI25. Link in video description.